Hello, everybody. So today is Sunday, St. Patrick's Day, and I just wanted to get on here and let everybody know that Young Living has the original premium starter kit on sale right now for $144. That's 10% off the original price. The original price is $165. So um, this is a really good deal. This isn't, oh, the dog here is flying. This is until supplies last. They're just completely getting rid of the original starter kit. So they're just selling them at this discounted price until they are gone. You can buy as many as you want. This is a good way to get your membership for Young Living at a cheaper rate. And you can also use it as your first ER order once you subscribe. My link, if you would like to subscribe, is right here. It's https whatever that thing is, in the /youngliving.pe/738G. And I will also put it in the comments below. So I'm going to get started now and show you everything that you get in the original premium starter kit. So first of all, they always send you the magazine, the Essential Oils magazine. And this is a picture of Gary Young. He is the founder of Young Living. He passed away last year. I think it was like August or something like that. He passed away. So, and this is a really good book with a lot of information in it. They have recipes, tells a little bit about his life story, how he became with Young Living and stuff like that. And it's just a really nice magazine to read. And you'll get one of these with your kit. And because this is last year's starter kit, my thing is all there we go. You will get the 2018 product guide catalog. They are coming out with the 2019 soon, very soon, I think. But this is a 2018, and it has pretty much all the products Young Living has. And on the back, they even have a picture of the new lantern diffuser, which also comes in a gray. It's a really cool diffuser. And this book has everything you could want to know, or the prices, everything about each Young Living oils, everything in here. Products, thieves, slick, the cooking, art, facial care, all that stuff. So it's a really good catalog to have if you're kind of like a hands-on person that doesn't like to look on the website all the time. You can sit down and look at this book and go through and see what you'd like to get. So next up, we have our diffuser. And this is our 6th Desert Mist diffuser that we have now. This diffuser is $60 alone. So right there, you're getting a pretty good deal. I'm not going to take it all out, but anyways, it has 10 different settings on it, and I don't think there's a picture on it. Nope. 10 different color settings and 3 different settings for the stuff to come out. So it has like a full constant thing, intermittent, and then of course the off. So that's our diffuser. And then to the oils. Your oils will come in a box like this. Now this is the original. The new starter kits, the box is a little bit different, but this is how the original box comes. And it tells you a little bit on the back about the Young Living experience and stuff, and the Seed to Seal promise right there. So what you do is this slides up, and then you've got this. Very nice packaging. Has a Young Living emblem on the side and on the back with the youngliving.com right here. And this little tab here, and I don't want everything to fall out of here, so I'm going to try to do this. So you open this up like this, and on this side is the paperwork, which most people don't do this. This is for like signing up people and stuff, by mailing it, but everybody does it online. So that's, you don't really need to worry about that. And then you pull this little gold tab here, open it up, and these are the oils. So I'm going to pull this out just to show you, because it'd be easier to hold than trying to hold that book up, or that whole package. So these are 10 of the essential oils that you get, and this thing also has a little stand that you can pull out for if you are displaying your oils for a class or something. so it will sit up almost like a picture frame. So you get, these are all 5 milliliters. You get lemon, Copaiba, Digest, Thieves, Peppermint, Vitality, and then you also get Panaway, Raven, Citrus Fresh, Frankincense, and Lavender. And in here, they also have a 5 ml of Stress Away that you get. And they also give you a roller fitment to put on there right away. And Young Living's roller fitments are metal. They're not plastic, so they're very good quality. And the cap. So you can put that on there. So I want to tell you a little bit about each of these oils before we go on. So Lemon Vitality. Vitality means that you can use these, you can ingest them. They are the exact same oils as the regular lemon essential oil. It's not in this kit, but they have, if they're saying that you can ingest these oils, they have to label them that way for the FDA. So people can't say, oh, well, I ingested it, and I didn't know you couldn't or something like that. But it's the exact same oil as in the regular lemon oil. Lemon is very good in your water. It's very good for like waking you up in the morning. Drop a lemon in your water, drink it down, and it just like invigorates you. I use it in my cleaning all the time in my Swiffer Wet Jet. This thing going out of whack. I wish it would stay straight. Okay. I use it in my laundry, on my laundry balls when I make my own laundry detergent. Next, we have Copaiba. Copaiba is called the enhancer oil. And Copaiba is very good for, like I just said, enhancing the effects of the other oils. So let's say you have sore muscles in your shoulder or something. You could apply Panaway, Peppermint, Deep Relief, whatever, and then you would layer Copaiba over that, and it will enhance the effects of those oils. So very good oil to have. Next is Digest. Digest is one that we always make sure that we have on hand. I think I have 2 or 3 up there. It's very good for upset stomach. You can take 1 drop, rub it on your stomach, and your gut rot or stomach ache, whatever you have, will be gone in pretty much a matter of minutes. You could also put it in your water, put it in a drop of water. Digest is very, very good for stomach problems. Next up, we have Thieves Vitality. Thieves you can put in your tea if you're starting to feel like you're coming down with something. Make a cup of hot black tea or green tea, add a drop of Thieves, a lemon, drop a lemon in there. It'll help clear you out and get rid of everything. Thieves is also very good for cold sores. I would always get one starting here on my nose or on my lip, and it would go, get humongous. If it started here, it would come down my whole lip here and cover the whole thing. First time I feel a little prickle or something on there, I take a drop of Thieves. Neat means plain Thieves, don't dilute it or anything. Right on there, keep rubbing on there a couple times a day, gone. Never amounts to anything at all. So, and it will burn a little, but it will get rid of it better than that, what is that stuff everybody gets? Abreva, that's what I'm thinking of. That little tube of Abreva that you pay like $20, $30 for. Get a bottle of Thieves, 1 drop, done, gone. Very good. Also, I use Thieves in my cleaning too. We also have the Thieves cleaning line, which I'm going to show you that too. They give you a sample packet of the household cleaner. And I believe you can get 3 bottles of spray cleaner out of this 1 packet. Because you only need, they say like when you buy the big bottle, like a cap or a half a capful for what was it, 16-ounce spray bottle. So this is an ounce. So I think you can get 3 bottles out of this 1 thing. And this is the best cleaner you will ever have in your life. And it's also chemical free, so it won't harm you, your kids, or your pets while you're cleaning. Here we go, out of whack again. I don't know what's wrong with this dumb thing. Okay, next up we have peppermint. Peppermint is very good, well, in the winter time for diffusing. It's still not right. Okay. In the wintertime, you can diffuse peppermint just to get like that Christmassy type smell. It's very good in your hot cocoa. You can put a drop of peppermint in your hot cocoa and it will taste amazing. I put it in brownies before and they were very, very good. Peppermint is also very good for headaches. You can take a drop, rub it across your forehead, down your temples. Be careful not to get it by your eyes because it is strong. All around your back of your head, the stress headaches and stuff. Put it down the base of your skull. Um, Very good for pain, any kind of pain. Also, you can rub it like on your, if you got knee pain, shoulder pain, whatever pain you have. Peppermint's very good for pain. Okay, next up we have Panaway, another one that's very good for pain and muscle soreness. And this one has this different cap. It's almost like a childproof cap, and that is because it's considered a hot oil. And that means that if you're not used to the really 100% pure essential oils like Young Living oils, this is pure oil. So the ingredients in it, it can not burn you, but make your skin feel hot and maybe even get a little red, which it isn't going to hurt you, but some people don't like that. So you can dilute it with a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil or Young Living's V6 carrier oil. Very good for pain. Very, very good for pain. And it almost kind of smells like Bengay. So Raven is very good for respiratory, sinus, chest, colds, your nose, all that stuff. Diffuse it, rub it on the bottom of your feet. Very, very good for colds and stuff. And then we have Citrus Fresh. Well, Citrus Fresh is just what it says. It freshens the air. You can put it in your water. You can put it in like a fruit dip. Just in your cleaning stuff, just freshens everything up. Very good oil. Frankincense is one of our favorites. It is a more expensive oil, but it is very good for I just drew a blank. Frankincense is very good for calming. If you have anxiety and stuff, diffuse it in your house. It will calm you down. It'll calm your pets down, your kids, whatever. I also read that frankincense is tumor. They use it for shrinking tumors. So people that have tumors and stuff, they rub pure frankincense oil, and that's what this is, wherever their tumor is, and it supposedly will shrink it. And it has cases that have proven that it shrinks it. So that's just what I read. I can't go by anything else, but that's what I've read. So frankincense, very good at Christmas time too. And then last we have lavender. Lavender is a very calming oil, relaxing. It smells very, very good. If you've never made a lavender lemonade, you want to try that. It is so good. We put it in the diffuser a lot with calming our dogs and just like helping with sleep. Put it in your diffuser at night and it'll help you to sleep, relaxing and stuff like that. And then our last little one we have in here is the Stress Away. And that's another one very good for calming, relieving your stress. I don't know the thing again. I wish this thing would just stay. I have one of my old bottles that I have the roller on and that I bring to work with me all the time. And I roll it on my neck and stuff because I get really stressed out at work, and it helps amazing. All right, so those are the oils. And then they also give you this little pack, 10-pack of these little sample bottles that I use people that are not members yet and they want to try something. Like there's a girl at work that says she keeps getting her stomach upset. And I told her I want to give her a sample of Digest. So I have a little bottle in there with about 10 drops in there that I'm going to give to her to try. And then that's once they see it works and they're like, oh, okay, Digest is in the starter kit. So that's everything that you get in the kit. And as I said, it is $144 right now while supplies last. So you really do not want to miss this deal. Because once these kits are gone, you are not going to be able to get another original starter kit. You will have to buy the new starter kit, which is, I believe, they increased the price to $165. It used to be $160, now it's $165 because they added another oil. So now you get 12 oils in there. And I know it's Peace and Calming 2 and Valor you get instead of, I can't remember which ones it is. But anyways, if you want to become a member now, order this kit for the discounted price and it will go towards your Essential Rewards. Essential Rewards is your monthly box that you get. You have to do a minimum of 50 PV, which is $50. to stay on Essential Rewards, or ER as they call it, you the more you spend, the more credit you earn. So if you keep ordering $50, I mean, eventually you're gonna add up. I usually wait until I get about 300 PV or credit on my account, and then I put in an extra order, or I even add it on my monthly order and get $200 in products free. Then and if you are also on ER, you are also eligible for the monthly promos, which they post every month. This month they are giving out Thieves. They have the dish soap, foaming hand wash, the Thieves oil. I can't remember what else is on there. There's like 5 things plus a couple oils. Gunzia oils on there. There's a bunch of stuff. So it goes by like how much you spend. $100, 200, I think, 300, 400, whatever, and you get the most back. And they'll tell you how much in free product you're getting back too. So remember, this is my link to Join Young Living under me. And if you join today, you will get a $20 credit on your account from me. So this is for today only, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, 2019. Bye. Have a great day.